welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a really short unboxing video where I purchased some product in Bobbleware. Bobbleware is a product that sells reusable bubble tea cup. Yeah, because I love bubble teas. So yeah, and not really sustainable when every time I bought like a bubble tea drink and I just throw the cup and it's like making more pollution. So to be eco-friendly, I bought a reusable cup, so whenever I go to like a bubble tea shop, I just give the cup to them, so I don't need to waste a lot of plastic. And yeah, and to me right now here I got my box, yeah, and I'm really excited. So let's begin. Wait to open it. I hope it didn't break because it is made up from glass. And yeah. I have a thank you card.
Like a thank you card for taking me on your sustainable journey. Ooh. Oh, and it's have a handwritten writing that thank you for your support. Enjoy free travel straw care on us. Oh, that's so cute.
Yes, this is where I can put my straws. Okay. So I bought 2 bottles. Yeah, one is a big one and one is a small one, and I have this free container, and at the same time I have another another container. So I have 2 containers where I can put my straws. Yes. So let's begin with the smaller one first. Really excited. Oh, this is a lilac color. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Holy. Oh, and I have a cap, so yeah. Oh my god, so pretty. Oh, I'm so excited. Wow. Okay, let's look at the straw. And the straw is made of glass, which is cool. And have a brush with it, so you can. Oh, so cool. Wow, and then I can just put I have 2 containers. Oh wait. Oh, I was like, why is one so heavy? Okay, what's this actually? Is this to hold this in place? Oh yes, it's ready, so it will, I guess, like that. Okay. I'm so scared. Yeah, and then I really can't see, but it's in 2 different colors. So yeah. Excited. Okay, I bought 2. One is in a peach color and one is in a lilac color. So yeah, this is in a lilac color. I mean, this is in a peach color. I'm too excited that I don't even know what I'm saying. Oh, so excited. You have a lid too. Excited. And then this is the straw. Wow, the 2. I mean, I'm so excited. Oh my god, I love it. Oh my god, I can just like go to the shop like can you put my bubble tea in here? Oh my god. Yes. Oh my god, it's so pretty. But actually I think I can change if I want this to be lilac. Yeah. Because I like the lilac better than the peach. So I'm gonna remove this. This is 500 ml and this is 700 ml. Yeah, but usually in the shop it's 500 or 700. If it's 500, then I'll put this in lilac, and because I really like the lilac. The lilac is so pretty. Oh well. Okay. I'll just put this back. Bought this. I'm so happy. I'm always so happy of what I bought. Oh my god. I'm so happy. It's so pretty. I can't wait to use it. Oh wow. Yeah. So I hope you guys enjoy this short unboxing video, and please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. See you. Bye.